Hi everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name's Linda and today we are going to announce the winner of July's giveaway. So just to refresh your memories what you're going to get, one lucky winner. You're going to get this notepad which has got a magnet on, which you can put on your fridge or on your trolley. You're going to get a little hank of Vicky Brown's yarn. You're going to get Prism, Mary Maxon's Prism in Rainbow, which is a lovely shade. You're going to get two little cake donuts of Plassard, 100% cotton, and sorry guys, I'm having a summer moment. You're going to get a pen, a crochet hook, some stitch markers, and last but not least some little tapestry needles. So what I'm going to do is I've set it all up, the computer, for the YouTube's random comment picker, and let's go and pick a winner here. Okay, let's go and see who's the lucky winner is. I'm on the July giveaway video, and I have copied the URL. Go across to the random org, and we'll paste in. Sorry about the shakiness of the camera. So we're going to filter, add a specific text which was Prism, Prism, and I need to put the word, do the sum, and let's get the comments, see how many comments we've got. 274 guys. Well, I wish each and every one of you good luck. So we'll go over to start and we will click the start button. Good luck everyone, and thank you all so very much for entering. Kimberly Kane. So I just need to check first to make sure Kimberly is actually a subscriber to my channel, and let's see. I'm going to stop it here, and I'll find myself, and then we'll see if she is actually subscribed. Yes, she is subscribed to my channel. Yay! So congratulations, Kimberly. And she says, hello Linda, what beautiful yarn. The Prism yarn is simply gorgeous. You are so very generous. Thank you for the giveaway. I hope you have a wonderful day. Well, I hope you do too. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Kimberly. Yay! Congratulations, Kimberly. So if you email me at this address with your home address, you have until, so today's date is the 26th, so you have until the 2nd of August to reply. Send me your email with your address. If not, then you will forfeit the prize and I'll have to pick another winner, which I might do on a live. You never know. So Kimberly, please email me and I'll get the prize out to you as soon as I can. As soon as you email me, I will get it sent out to you. So I want to say thank you to each and every one of you who have subscribed to my channel, who enters the giveaways, who gives a thumbs up, who subscribes. So thank you all so very, very much. So once again, congratulations, Kimberly. I look forward to hearing from you. In the meantime, guys, take care, stay safe, but as I always say, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye.